So guys, I have varied works that I do. We are into real estate as well as retail, and we run a play area for kids also. So it's a very, very wide variety of things what we do. And I joined Sanjeev sir's class during the first lockdown, the first COVID wave आया था. And before that, I was working in a very, very unorganized manner. मतलब पेपर टेबल में पेपर का बंडल रहता था, हमेशा रहता था. And staff you should just come in anytime. Problems पूरे दिन fire fighting होती रहती थी. But once I did the courses of Sanjeev sir and did all and tried to implement all the sheets, सारी नहीं हुई है, पर जितनी मैं कर सकता था उतनी मैंने की according to my industry. And things have become revolution. मतलब पूरा revolution हो गया है कि अब मेरे को ढूंढना पड़ता है काम तो शाम को रिपोर्ट्स आई जाती है कि ये पूरे दिन में ये काम हुआ. But now, in order to, my only concentration is how to expand work now. वो regular day-to-day work में अब मैं घुसता नहीं अब, because of your sheets and the automation जो हमने achieve कर लिया है. So and obviously your team is 24 karat gold, because आपके support team बहुत अच्छी है. वो किसी टाइम में भी पीछे पड़ जाती है कि ticket raise करोगे, and if you're busy on another line, they'll call you up at least 5-6 times more कि sir problem solve हो गई नहीं हुई. So that is wonderful for your team. Kudos to your team and everything.